So in this video, I'll be showing you what you can do with AirTags shared with you. So let's say this is not your AirTag, it's someone else, but that person has shared this AirTag with you. Here are a couple of things you can do. So if you go to the Find My app on your phone and then go to items, you will see your AirTags. So for instance, this is my own personal AirTag, but this is not my AirTag, but the owner of this AirTag has shared it with me. So with a shared AirTag, I can open it up, I can play sounds, okay? I can find an AirTag that's shared with me, okay? I can look at the owner of the AirTag, so I can see the contact details of the owner of this AirTag. Now, if you no longer want that AirTag shared with you, you can also go ahead and remove that AirTag from your Apple ID, and it's no longer going to be shared with you. So those are the things you can do when an AirTag is shared with you. Thanks for watching, and good luck.